Mastering in-class activities, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into an essential part of language learning, in-class activities. Understanding this concept will not only help you in your English classes but also in engaging more effectively with the lessons. So, let's get started and explore what in-class activities mean and why they're so crucial for your learning journey. In-class activities refer to the various tasks, exercises, or games that teachers incorporate into classroom sessions. These activities are designed to enhance learning by allowing students to apply the concepts they have been taught. Unlike traditional lectures, where students primarily listen, in-class activities involve interaction, discussion, and hands-on practice. Examples include group discussions, role plays, quizzes, and interactive games. The key idea here is active participation, getting students directly involved in the learning process. Now, let's talk about why in-class activities are so beneficial. Firstly, they make learning more engaging and interactive, which helps students retain information better. Secondly, these activities cater to different learning styles, whether you're a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner. By participating in varied activities, every student gets a chance to learn in a way that suits them best. Moreover, in-class activities foster collaboration among students, enhancing their communication skills and teamwork. Lastly, they provide immediate feedback from teachers, allowing students to understand their strengths and areas for improvement. To truly benefit from in-class activities, it's important to actively participate and be willing to take risks. Here are a few tips. Engage fully in each activity, even if it feels challenging. Ask questions if you're unsure about something. Collaborate with your classmates, sharing ideas and learning from each other. Reflect on your performance and think about how you can improve in future activities. Remember, the more you put into these activities, the more you'll get out of them. In-class activities are a powerful tool in the arsenal of English language learning. They transform the classroom into a dynamic environment where learning becomes active, engaging, and effective. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of these activities and how you can make the most of them. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, every activity is an opportunity to improve your English skills. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.